Okay, I'm going to show you, this is really a video for parents on how to use your Clever badge to log in to Clever. And that will give you access to BrainPop Junior and a few other things too. So, and you may already know how to do this from Mrs. Lambert or Mrs. Coffee, but I wanted to make sure I showed you on my part too. I should have just sent you an email by sharing a little file with you on Google Drive that shows you how to, that gives you your Clever badge. So you'll get a little, here's Adeline's right here, you'll get a little QR code looking thing right here. And what I did was I just took a picture of it with my phone. Now, to log into Clever, you need a device that has a camera, and I believe that all of the iPads that you guys have will be able to do that. If you're on a laptop, it will need a camera to be able to use the badge. If you don't have access to a device that has a built-in camera, please send me an email and I will figure out another way to get you to log on, because you can log in through Google, but I was having trouble doing that when I tried it from my son's end. And so I think the badge is the way to go if you can. So, good. I'm going to make sure I didn't close that out. So first things first, you're going to go to the Wiley Bulldog website. Menu, parents. Oh, no. Menu, virtual learning, and then virtual learning links. You're going to click Clever. Okay, and then right here it says Clever Badge Login. Now you should be able to log in with Google also, with your child's Google address. So give that a try if you're not able to make the badge part work. But for some reason it was not working for my son this morning. So let's do this. I have to click allow here, and here's where it gives you a nice little selfie shot. Instead of your beautiful face, hold up the picture of your badge and it will find you. So this is Adeline's badge that I used, and you'll see it's pulled up her information right here. And so once you have that, you have access to all of these things right here. And some of this you'll need for Mrs. Coffee's class, some for me, and some for Mrs. Lambert. We've got Spelling City right here, which I'm excited about. We can put our stuff into, and then you can go to BrainPop Junior. Once you're logged in here, you can type in our link. Let me find it. So once you are there, you can either search for it. I'm going to show you a different way. So, oh wait, let's see. Actually, it's not posted yet because I set it for later. So I'm going to find it. So you will get a link that looks like this. It's just scheduled for 10:30. So that let me log in already. Actually, no, it didn't. So, well, I thought that was going to work that way. Supposedly, let's try this. Let's try a new link. Now that I'm logged in through Clever, put that link in and see. And see, now we're in. Okay, and so that should let you watch it, and it should let you take either the easy quiz or the hard quiz. The other way is to, once you are here, once you're logged in through Clever, you can just go to BrainPop Junior. That's where this one is today. And you can search for today's title, which is Branches of Government. Okay, and then that will give you what you need. Once you click there, then you will be able to do the easy quiz or the hard quiz after you watch the video. It's very important that you do the quiz so that I can see that you've done it. Okay, if you just watch the video, I won't be able to give you credit for it because you have to do the quiz, and you don't have to do anything on Google Classroom for this. The Google Classroom just gave you the link to the video. Okay, so even though it says an assignment is due, ignore that. The way you do this assignment is by finishing one of the quizzes, and I will be able to see that on my Clever account. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you, thank you. Let's see if I can stop this now. Mhm.